I tried Sold Lending wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about Sold Lending, I was curious. The idea of using crypto as collateral for real loans sounds amazing. No credit checks, no banks, just blockchain. But after testing the Sold Lending wallet app for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it delivers on some promises but not without trade-offs. On day 1, I created an account and connected my wallet. The platform lets you deposit Bitcoin, Ether, and stablecoins to secure a loan in US dollars or stable assets. Process was surprisingly smooth. It felt more like applying for a fintech loan than a DeFi protocol. By day 3, I tested the loan calculator. Sold lets you borrow up to 70% of your collateral value depending on the asset. That sounds great, but if crypto prices drop, your collateral can be liquidated instantly to protect the loan balance. Most people get this wrong, thinking crypto loans are risk-free. They're not. By day 5, I requested a small test loan using Bitcoin as collateral. It was funded within hours, with the borrowed amount deposited directly into my wallet. Repayments are flexible, and the app shows your live loan-to-value ratio, so you can monitor liquidation risk. By day 7, I realized the shocking truth. Sold Lending bridges traditional finance and crypto perfectly, but it demands discipline. It's ideal for those who want liquidity without selling their crypto, but you must watch the market closely. If you believe in long-term crypto growth, Sold Lending gives you financial flexibility while keeping your assets invested. But if you're not careful, volatility can catch you off guard. The truth? Sold Lending is powerful, a real example of crypto meeting finance. Just remember, with great leverage comes great responsibility.